In this video, I am going to factor this trinomial. This trinomial is a special trinomial which will become a perfect square, and we'll talk about it now. To factor this trinomial, what I could do is basically follow the standard process, look at the coefficient of the square terms. In this case, coefficient of x squared is 25 and coefficient of y square is 36, so multiply 25 with 36 and then factor it out and do the standard process. However, what I am going to do here is slightly different. Look at the 25x square, which I could write as 5x whole square. Then also look at 36y square. I could write it as 6y whole square, because 6y times 6y is 36y square, 5x times 5x is 25x square. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write this as 5x whole square, then plus 6y whole square. Now the middle term here is negative 60xy. So let's just do the following. Write down 5x times 6y, 5x times 6y. So that's going to give me 30xy. And then always multiply it by 2. That will give you 60xy. In this particular case, I have designed the problem in such a way so that it comes out to be 60xy. Then you put a negative sign in front. By the way, this restructuring of the given trinomial actually fits this form: a square plus 2ab plus b square, which by the way is a plus b whole square. This is a perfect square formula. In our context, a is 5x, so let me write it down. A, this is b, 6y, this is b. So we have a square 2 times ab plus b square, exactly the left hand side, which means that we could use this perfect square formula and we could write it as a plus b whole square. In my context, a is 5x plus b is 6y and I square it, and that's what it is. You may also write this as 5x plus 6y times 5x plus 6y, but this is more common. This is perfect square, and whenever you are factoring a trinomial, this is one of the things that you want to keep in mind. See if you can create perfect squares from the square term and the constant or the other square term given, depending on what you are given, and then see the middle term, whatever it is here, if it comes out to be 2 times the first term after, when you square it, like 2 times 5x and then 6y in this case, so which is like 2 times a times b. So you are basically, in essence, taking the trinomial and kind of like reshaping it or restructuring it in such a way so that it fits the norm or fits the structure a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then you use the perfect squares formula. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.